Welcome to lesson 61 of algebraic concepts. Solve inequalities using division. Here's our objective, rules and notes. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I know I did this on the last video, but this is division, meaning you have to divide the numbers away from the variable. So we're going to divide both sides by 7 because 7 is multiplied to the variable and is greater than 3. When I graph it, use a 0 for reference. 3, open circle, it goes to the right. Okay, so the 3 is multiplying to the x, so we have to do the opposite, which is divide. So 9 divided by 3 is less than or equal to x. We're going to flip everything around so we can graph it. When you graph, please keep your variable on the left. If you keep your variable on the left, the inequality will match the arrow. And whether it's underlined tells you whether to open or close the circle. An underline includes the number 3 as part of the solution. A closed circle includes the 3 as part of the solution. Okay, so those were our two examples for this video. Try to do the problems, and I will see you at the end of the video for a recap. Okay, here we go. We're dividing by negative 12, and the reason why we divide by negative 12 is because we need the coefficient, that's the number in front of the W, to be positive 1. When you solve an equation and or an inequality, your variable must have a coefficient of positive 1. So 1W, positive 1W is bigger than 8. So we put negative 8, we put a 0 for reference, open circle because it's not underlined, and all numbers bigger than 8, not including 8. And then, so this is supposed to be 12x. And then we would divide by 12. I can't believe I forgot to put the 12 in here. On 12, that's actually 84. What kind of crazy mistake did I make? 84 is a 7. 12 is bigger than or equal to 86, which is not true. So there's no If I didn't have a variable in here, it would just be the graph. But since I have it, I'm going to do a little fraction math for you. 12 divided by 12 is x. 86 over 12 is 8. 8 times 12, 7 times 12 is 84. So 7 2/12, which equals 7 1/6, is greater than or equal to. I made a mess of that. X is greater than or equal to 7 1/6. Put a 0. Put a 7. 1/6 is a little bit bigger than 7. Color in your circle, and it goes to the right. So we're actually here at 7 1/6. And if that was 8, 7 1/6 is closer to 7 than it is to 8. So I just wanted to show you how it would look on a number line where there was not a precise number. Many times on tests and in class, you will be given number lines with numbers on them, or at least hash marks, and that's supposed to indicate whole numbers. And you're going to have to put the solution in between two hash marks, especially for ones that don't come out to whole numbers. So just be aware of that. That's something that I didn't really talk about much, and this is very important to learn how to solve and graph inequalities. So thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next video.